Ever dreamed of becoming a millionaire in just 1 year? It sounds like a fantasy, right? Something reserved for lottery winners, or those born with a silver spoon. But what if I told you there's a repeatable blueprint, a step-by-step plan that can take you from zero to financially free in just 12 months, with no luck or inheritance required? Stick with me, because today I'm laying out that exact roadmap. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about smart, strategic action. If you're ready to change your life, your journey starts now. Welcome to Phase 1, the grind. This is where the foundation for your empire is built, and it spans the first 4 months. The absolute first step isn't about money, it's about your mind. You need to cultivate a growth mindset. Believe that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Forget "I can't" and embrace "I will learn how." Once your mindset is locked in, it's time to set a crystal clear financial goal. Don't just say "I want to be rich." Be specific. I will have $1 million in my bank account in 365 days. Write it down, look at it every day, and make it your obsession. This isn't just a dream, it's a target. Now, with your mindset and goal firmly in place, it's time for action. You need a vehicle to get you to your destination, and that vehicle is a high-value skill. What are you good at? What could you become great at? Think about skills that solve expensive problems for people or businesses. This could be digital marketing, coding, sales, video editing, or consulting. The key is to pick something in high demand. Spend the first couple of months becoming dangerously good at it. You don't need to be the world's #1 expert, just better than most. Once you have your skill, you need to package it into an irresistible offer. What result can you guarantee your clients? How can you make saying no to you feel like a huge mistake? Maybe it's not just "I'll run your ads," but "I'll double your leads in 90 days, or you don't pay." See the difference? It's about selling an outcome, not a service. Your next mission, and this is crucial, is to make your first sale. This validates everything. It proves people are willing to pay for what you offer. Don't obsess over building a fancy website or printing business cards. Just go out there, talk to people, use your network, and get that first client. That first dollar you earn is the most important one on this entire journey. It's the proof of concept that will fuel your fire for the months to come. All right, you've survived the grind. Welcome to months 5 through 8, what I call Phase 2, the growth. You've got a skill, you've made your first sale, and you have proof that your offer works. Now it's time to pour gasoline on the fire. You need to get your irresistible offer in front of more people. This is where effective, low-cost advertising comes in. I'm not talking about Super Bowl commercials here. I'm talking about targeted social media ads, content marketing, or strategic outreach. Find out where your ideal clients hang out online and go there. Let's say you're a video editor for YouTube. You could run targeted ads to channels of a certain size, or you could start creating content yourself that shows off your skills before and after edits. Tutorials on cool effects, case studies of channels you've helped grow. The goal is to create a predictable system for attracting leads. You want to know that for every dollar you put into marketing, you get $5, $10, or even $20 back. This is where you move from being a freelancer to a business owner. You're not just hunting for your next meal. You're building a machine that brings the food to you. It's about creating a predictable flow of new customers. As the leads start rolling in, you'll hit a new problem. You can't handle all the work yourself. This is a good problem to have. It means you're ready to systemize. This is the heart of Phase 2. You need to build a scalable business model. This means documenting your processes. How do you find clients? How do you onboard them? What is your step-by-step workflow for delivering your service? Write it all down, create templates, and build a playbook that someone else could follow. Your goal during this phase is to achieve consistent daily sales. You want to wake up and see that new orders have come in overnight. This might mean hiring your first virtual assistant or a junior team member to handle the repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on high-level strategy and sales. This is how you break free from trading your time for money. You're building a system that makes money for you, even when you're not actively working. By the end of month 8, you should have a well-oiled machine that is consistently generating revenue and is no longer 100% dependent on your direct effort. Now we enter the final and most exciting stage, Phase 3, The gold. This covers months 9 through 12. You've built a solid, profitable business. It's time to multiply your success. The first step is to diversify your income streams. Your core service is making good money, but relying on one thing is risky. How can you expand? If you're a marketing consultant, maybe you can create a digital course teaching your methods. This is an asset you create once that can sell thousands of times. Or maybe you can offer a lower ticket done-with-you coaching program or a higher ticket mastermind group. Look at your existing customer base. What else do they need that you can provide? You've already built trust with them, so selling them a second or third product is infinitely easier than finding a brand new customer. This is also the time to expand your product line. Can you create a version of your service for a different niche? Can you bundle services together for a premium package? The goal here is to create multiple rivers of income all flowing into your financial reservoir. This not only increases your revenue, but also makes your business much more stable and resilient. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The final piece of the puzzle is to accelerate. You're making a profit now. The temptation might be to take that money and buy a fancy car or go on a luxury vacation. Don't. Not yet. This is the moment to be disciplined and reinvest your profits back into the business to achieve exponential growth. What does that look like? It means increasing your ad spend. If you know that every dollar you put into ads brings back $5, why are you only spending $100 a day? Why not 500 or 1,000? It means hiring more talent to increase your capacity, allowing you to take on more clients and deliver faster. It means investing in better software and tools to make your operation more efficient. This is the snowball effect. The small bowl of snow you started rolling in month 1 has now become a boulder. By reinvesting your profits, you're pushing that boulder down a steeper and steeper hill. It picks up speed and mass on its own. This is how you go from making a few thousand a month to tens of thousands, and then hundreds of thousands. You're using your business's own momentum to fuel its rapid expansion, pushing you directly towards that $1 million target you set on day 1. And there you have it, a 12-month journey from zero to self-made. We started with phase 1, the grind, where we forged a growth mindset and made our first critical sale. Then we moved to phase 2, the growth, where we built systems and scaled our marketing to create a consistent cash-flowing machine. And finally, we hit phase 3, the gold, where we diversified our income and reinvested profits to achieve explosive, exponential growth. This isn't magic. It's a formula. It requires intense focus, relentless work, and the courage to take calculated risks. But it's a path that is open to anyone willing to walk it. Financial freedom isn't a distant dream. It's a destination you can reach with the right map. This is your map. The only question left is, will you start the journey? Thank you so much for watching. If this blueprint resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you build your wealth. Let me know in the comments which step you're going to start on today. See you in the next video.